Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, my name is Alyssa and today we are doing a giveaway. I am super pumped for this. In honor of my birthday, which is on October 16th, I decided to take my entire giveaway stash and give it away to you guys. I am super pumped to be sharing the love and being able to just say thank you guys for all your love and support. So I'm super excited. This is my biggest giveaway yet, I'm pretty sure, and we are gonna have 3 separate winners. So I hope you guys are pumped. We're just gonna go ahead and dive on into everything. I don't want this video to be too long. So we're gonna start with the rules. Of course, while they're the most boring part of these videos, they're the most important part. I am gonna have everything written down in the description box that I'm about to go over. So if you missed anything or you're confused, definitely check that out. And if you need clarification, please feel free to ask. I'm always happy to help clarify anything because I want you all to get the opportunity to enter and be super excited for entering everything. And of course, I'm gonna be using Gleam as always to select my winner. So that link will be the first one in the description box. You'll go through there, fill out all your information and follow those steps along with the points of entry. And that way it's always fair at the end. I like it just because it's a random generator and I'm not handpicking anything. It's as fair as I think it can possibly get for giveaways. So on to the rules. As always, rule number 1, you do need to be 18 years of age or older. And if you are not, simply just get your grown-ups permission to enter. That way, nobody's surprised when stuff shows up their door. You guys know I say that every time. I don't want nobody to be like, where'd you get that? So just get permission if you're not 18 or older. Otherwise, feel free to go ahead and do it. This one is going to be open to the residents of the United States and Canada only. I know my international babes, please let me pause here and tell you that I have an international giveaway coming before the end of the year is up. So please keep your eyes peeled for that. I'm working on the logistics as we speak. But for this one, it is just going to be for the residents of the United States and Canada. Of course, how to enter. Most importantly, you do need to be subscribed to my YouTube channel and your subscriptions do need to be public because I will be checking to verify when I pull your name that you are indeed subscribed to my channel. So make sure that your subscriptions are public. You do that in your settings. Like this video, of course, especially if you're super excited for the giveaway, and leave me a comment under this video letting me know your favorite Halloween costume. It can be one that you've been, one that you've seen somebody else do, and along with a way to contact you. So that can be your Instagram handle, Twitter handle, and email, whatever makes you the most comfortable. And then for a bonus entry, you can also come follow me over on TikTok and leave a comment on one of my videos there saying, you know, just like, hey, here from YouTube, whatever you want it to be. And I'll have my TikTok linked below for you and my handle is right here. So those are pretty much all the rules. It's pretty painless. The giveaway is going to be open for 2 weeks. I'm going to put the time frame here because off the top of my head, I have absolutely no idea what those dates are. But on the last day, it's probably going to be to like 6 p.m. to be honest with you. I will select the winners and I will begin contacting you. Once I contact you, as always, you're gonna have 24 hours to contact me back. And if you don't, then I have to select another winner in your place. So keep an eye on your inboxes or your DMs on that day because I wanna make sure that if you are a selected winner, that you get your goodies. I hate having to pick a new winner over top of someone, and I've had to do that a couple of times. It hurts my heart, so just keep an eye on your DMs, okay? Now, I'm pretty sure that's all the stuff that I need to talk to you about. Of course, all the other little legal jargon I'm supposed to say that's going to be written down below, like I'm not affiliated with any, like YouTube, Instagram, no brands, all this stuff is my own, I bought it, and I am not going to be responsible for any packages lost, stolen, or damaged. So now that we've gotten that stuff out of the way, we can talk about the prizes, which is the most exciting part. So like I said, we're gonna have 3 different winners. I'm gonna go ahead and pop up photographs of each of the prizes so you can pause if you wanna look at it. I just didn't wanna hold everything up individually. So winner number 1 is gonna receive everything pictured on the screen here. Some highlights from this one are going to be like a NYX primer. We've got a few lippies from like MAC, Huda Beauty, along with Rare Beauty. We've got some skincare, Kylie Skin, as well as like a collagen serum. I've got a few palettes, one from e.l.f., one from Morphe. We've got a Kylie Cosmetics blush, a set of lashes from Ardell. You guys know I love Ardell lashes. We've got some good hair care goodies, along with quite a few samples from Sunday Riley, Kiehl's. So I'm super excited for this one. Again, you can pause if you want to see it all, but this is going to be for giveaway winner number 1. Giveaway winner number 2, you're going to receive everything pictured here. Again, some highlights from this one are going to be another Kylie blush. We've got a couple palettes from Ace Beauté, along with Sleek for a highlighter palette. I've got the Anastasia Dewy Setting Spray, the No Pore Blum Primer from Touch and Soul. I've got a good couple of like nice face masks in here. You're also gonna get some lippies, some from Rare Beauty, another MAC lippy in there as well, and a couple pairs of lashes, one from the Cavalli Lash, which I have a review of their stuff on my channel, along with a set of House of Lashes lashes. I love House of Lashes lashes, along with a couple other goodies as well. So again, this is gonna be giveaway winner number 2. Last but not least, we've got giveaway winner number 3. Now this technically has less products in it, but we have some higher value products in this bunch, if that makes sense. That sounded like a whirlwind. My brain literally wasn't functioning. But so I wanted to kind of make it even all the way around. So the first 2 have more items in them, and they do have some higher dollar products in them as well, but this one has fewer products than the first 2 giveaway winners, but some of your products are going to be a little bit more expensive. So I'm pretty excited about this one. So some highlights from this one are a Kate Somerville Exfoliate. I love this stuff. Do be gentle with it. Make sure you read the directions. Don't freak out the first time you use it. We've got some facial globes in here, a Tartelette Toasted palette, and the Tasha Denona Blush and Highlighting Duo. We've got a gorgeous set of lashes in here, along with a good number of lippies. I've got a pink face mask. We've got some hand cream, and obviously some lovely hair care samples and things like that. So those are all 3 giveaway prizes. Again, I'm super excited. I hope you guys are too. I also want to let you guys know, when you give giveaways from me, please do not feel like you have to keep everything for yourself. I know sometimes people feel like, oh my gosh, like what if everything in there is not for me? Do what you want. I want you to get this and do whatever you want with it. If you want to keep every bit of it for yourself, if you want to get rid of every daggone thing that I gave you, I don't even care. I am just so excited to be giving you guys some stuff. I know that like you can always like re-gift some to some of your friends if you feel like you have a friend that is gonna love the product maybe a little bit more than you do. So just know that I want you to do whatever you want with it, okay? I'm just happy to be able to give you guys some stuff, share the love with you guys for all your love and support here on my channel. Without you, of course, this channel wouldn't be here and I wouldn't be doing all the fun stuff. So thank you guys so much for all your love and support. I hope you were super excited about the giveaway. I cannot wait to give away these prizes to you guys. And again, my international babes, I'm coming before the end of the year, so stay tuned. I'm gonna have a really lovely giveaway for all my international friends as well. So thank you guys again. I really appreciate you so much, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.